dissolved in another liquid, then it will be volume by volume. The first two are not so important. Molarity, you will be getting the definition of molarity and the numerical based on molarity. Molarity is important, denoted by capital M. It is the number of moles of solute dissolved per liter volume of the solution. Number of moles you calculate by given mass upon molecular mass. So this much is clear to everyone. Then formality also we had discussed. It is the same as molarity. The difference is in place of molecular mass, just a minute children. In case of formality, this we use in generally for ionic compounds. Actually, in place of molecular mass, we write the formula mass. So it is the same. Number of gram formula mass means the number of moles of the solute only. Molality, small m, this is important. So here you have three important ones: capital M, small m, and number 6, capital N. I hope everyone has revised class 11 syllabus of this, whatever we discussed, how to calculate the equivalent mass, etc. Small m, molality, number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. Normality, it is the number of gram equivalents of solute dissolved in per liter volume of the solution. Molarity and normality changes with temperature, क्योंकि इनके फॉर्मूला में वॉल्यूम आ जाता है एंड वॉल्यूम इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द टेम्परेचर. Small m, that is molality, it has nothing to do with the volume, so it does not change with the temperature. This much is clear to everyone. This page was clear to everyone. Now we were discussing this page yesterday. Relation between molarity and normality. Normality is equal to molarity into basicity of acid and acidity of base. I hope the term basicity of acid is clear to everyone. Basicity of acid, like for example HCl, इसकी basicity क्या हो गई 1, because HCl gives 1 H plus hydronium ion in the solution. You can also call this as N factor. Acidity of a base, for example, if you have calcium hydroxide CaOH whole twice, that means the acidity of this will be 2. If you have oxidizing and reducing agent in the question, then normality is equal to molarity into change in the oxidation number. You know how to calculate the oxidation number. This was also discussed in class 11. Now we come to the mole fraction. Mole fraction we were discussing yesterday. Mole fraction is related to the solution when there are 2 or more components. Mole fraction is denoted by a designer X like this. Okay? So mole fraction, just a minute. Aditya Tripathi, your attendance is already marked. Now, suppose we have a solute A dissolved in solute B. Suppose we have a solute A dissolved in a solvent B. ठीक है? तो how much number of moles of solute is there in the solution? इन दोनों को मिला के हमारा solution बन गया. Now, how much number of moles of A is there and how much number of moles of B is there? So that means we will find out the mole fraction of both the components. So mole fraction is generally related to the solution. Mole fraction of solute A, that is XA, is equal to number of moles of solute of A, that is Na, upon total number of moles in the solution, that is Na plus Nb. In the same way, we will calculate the mole fraction of solvent, that is equal to number of moles of solute upon total number of moles in the solution. And when we calculate the mole fraction of all the components, the sum of all the components must be equal to 1. The sum of mole fraction of all the components, it can be XA plus XB plus XC plus XD, whatever. So the sum of mole fraction of all the components must be equal to 1. And since it is in the formula, you do not see any volume taken into consideration. Therefore, we can say mole fraction is independent of temperature. Mole fraction, the term is clear to everyone. Please write yes or no. Yes, Manish, the formula mass and molecular mass of NaOH will be the same. Yes. Okay, but as I had given you one example yesterday, AlCl3 exists in the form of Al2Cl6. So इस case में Al2Cl6 molecular mass and formula mass will be AlCl3. For NaOH, it is the same. Okay. Mole fraction of the components should not be lesser than 1 or greater than 1, because this is actually, that whatever is taken into consideration for solution or for any of the things, it is always 100%. है ना? तो 100% को ही हम 1 यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, that it must be equal to 1. Whatever component is present in the solution, it must be equal to 1. The sum of all the mole fraction of the component should be 1. सॉल्यूशन तो हमारा वैसे भी इम्प्योर है. सॉल्यूशन का मतलब क्या है? 2-3 सॉल्यूट जो है वो सॉल्वेंट में घुला हुआ है. इट कैन बी शुगर प्लस शुगर प्लस सॉल्ट प्लस वाटर. अब यहाँ पे 3 कंपोनेंट्स को मिला के हमने सॉल्यूशन बनाया हुआ है. Salt is there, sugar is there, and water is there. So, Sarvonati, we will calculate the mole fraction of salt separately, then sugar separately, and then water separately. Okay. We will do, let me have some numericals now. Have you all written? Just a minute. Yes. Then the sum of these must be equal to 1. Yes. So number mole fraction salt का निकला, mole fraction वाटर का निकला, मोल फ्रैक्शन शुगर का निकला, डेसिमल में आएगा, इन सब का सम मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 1. Yes. Let's see some numericals now. Have you all written the formula in your notebooks, children? Okay. Chalo, let's see some numericals now. Yes. Now you have one numerical on your screen, children. Please see, I have taken the simple one first. 46 gram of ethyl alcohol is dissolved in 18 gram of water. Calculate the mole fraction of ethyl alcohol. Now you know the formula. Mole fraction ethyl alcohol का पूछा है. That means it will be mole fraction of ethanol, number of moles of ethanol upon total number of ethanol plus water. तो इसके लिए हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कैलकुलेट करेंगे. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स यू नो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट. गिवन मास, ये क्या हो गया हमारा, गिवन मास मींस 46. इथेनॉल इज C2H5OH और इसका मॉलिक्यूलर मास कितना होगा, 12 to 24 plus 5 plus 16 plus 1. How much you are getting? 46. ठीक है. So molecular mass of ethanol is also 46. ठीक है. So number of moles is clear to everyone. You will be writing the formula also, children, in your copy. Number of moles of ethanol is equal to given mass upon molecular mass. That is equal to 46 upon 46. Are you all writing the numerical in your copy? Everyone is going to write just now in their notebooks. Written करो अभी साथ ही साथ, so you will be able to understand. And then later on you will practice the numerical from whatever books you have. Whatever books you have with you at home, you can practice from there. Everyone is doing the numerical in their notebooks. Calculators are allowed, but it is better if you do not use your calculator. Try to do the calculations on your own. This will increase your calculation speed. So this numerical is very much clear, I hope so. So number of moles of ethanol हम अलग से calculate करेंगे. Then we will calculate the number of moles of water separately. Given mass, water का कितना दिया हुआ है, 18 grams, and water का molecular mass is also 18. So 18 divided by 18 equal to 1. Then we will calculate the mole fraction of ethyl alcohol, 0.5. Here you can also calculate the mole fraction of water. तो मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ वाटर अगर आप कैलकुलेट करोगे तो N2 अपॉन N1 प्लस N2. वो भी आपका 0.5 आएगा और 0.5 प्लस 0.5 1 आ गया. तो यू कैन चेक हियर is sum of mole fraction of the components is equal to 1. Is this numerical clear to everyone? Yes or no, please write in the chat box. Mole fraction समझ आया? I took a very simple example. हाँ, आस्था, एक न्यूमेरिकल रजिस्टर आप बनाएंगे अलग से when you are going to practice the numericals on your own. on your own from whatever books you are going to practice the numerical. For that, you can make another separate numerical register. Otherwise, what I will do, अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, I will send you some numericals from my side today. Those numericals you do in a separate numerical register. और जो क्लास वर्क की कॉपी चल रही है उसमें आप एक ही कॉपी रखो. In that you do these numericals which are discussed in the class. That क्लास वर्क कॉपी आप एक ही रखिए, उसी में थ्योरी न्यूमेरिकल सब कुछ उसी में करना. और जो मैं शीट्स भेजूंगी होमवर्क के लिए, that numerical copy, numerical register you keep separate. Is this clear to everyone? क्लास वर्क कॉपी एक ही होगी जिसमें आप सारे नोट्स जो मैं क्लास के दौरान शेयर करती हूँ that you are going to write. The numericals which are being shared here, that you will write in your class register only, theory register. Any doubts, children? ठीक है, shall I proceed? Okay. Now please see this numerical. You are writing in the same theory register these numericals. What is the mole fraction of water in 2.5 m? Small m means molal. Molality is given to you. This is molality. ठीक है? (2.5 m) solution means 2.5 moles of solute are present in 1 kg of water. This we know. 2.5 m दिया हुआ है इन्होंने. So moles of solute आपका हो गया 2.5 moles, है ना? That is why you should know the definition also. ठीक है? In the same way we calculate moles of water. Moles of water, अब given mass कितना है हमारा? 2.5 moles of solute किस में डिसॉल्व था? 1000 ग्राम वाटर में. तो गिवन मास वाटर का कितना है? 1000 अपॉन मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ वाटर दैट इज 18. तो ये हमारा मोल्स ऑफ वाटर आ गया 55.6. टोटल मोल्स हमने ऐड कर लिया. And then we have mole fraction of water. Is this numerical clear? Ansh Verma, this is according to the definition of molality. You were absent yesterday. Okay, so this is actually according to the definition of molality, the solute, it is the number of moles of the solute dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. Okay, so this numerical everyone has written. Now we come to the next one. Okay, now please see this numerical. Iodine is dissolved in benzene. Mole fraction of iodine in benzene is 0.2. Calculate the molality of the solution. So mole fraction is given to you in the question. You have to calculate the molality of the solution. Molality की definition क्या कहती है? Number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. है ना? तो number molality क्या है? Number of moles of solute. तो इसका मतलब हमें क्या निकालना है? यही N1 निकालनी है हमें. Number of moles of solute, है ना? आयोडीन को डिसॉल्व किया गया बेंजीन में. That means molality means number of moles of solute. That means this N1 we have to calculate. Is the question clear to everyone? So moles of benzene is N2. A mole fraction इन्होंने दिया हुआ है. Mole fraction is 0.2. So you have here mole fraction of iodine. ठीक है. Now molality means 1000 gram of benzene. तो हमने यहाँ पे N2 निकाल लिया. 1000 ग्राम दिस इज गिवन मास. और बेंजीन का फॉर्मूला, मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला क्या है आपका? C6H6. तो ये हो गया आपका मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ बेंजीन. तो हमने मोल्स ऑफ बेंजीन भी निकाल ली. एंड देन वी सब्स्टिट्यूट दीज वैल्यूज, क्योंकि हमें N1 भी कैलकुलेट करनी है. N2 हमारा यहाँ पे निकल चुका है. This is N2 and the mole fraction of I2 is given to you in the question. सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया, N1 की वैल्यू आ गई। Is this numerical clear to everyone? Please write yes or no. Is the numerical okay? ठीक है, everyone has done in the copy. Should I proceed now? Okay. Now please say this numerical. Calculate the molarity and molality of a solution. अब इसमें क्या आपको कैपिटल M और स्मॉल m दोनों निकालनी है. Obtained by mixing equal volumes of 30% by mass of sulfuric acid, जिसकी की डेंसिटी दी हुई है. तो इसी डेंसिटी से हम अमाउंट निकालेंगे H2SO4